close as I can get to what it's like in real life, of what it's like to drive an Audi RS3. It's a dream of mine to get some time behind the wheel on one of these and see what these machines feel like, as I'm sure it would be for you. But I need to tell you about a couple things really quick that I know you'll find value in. Imagine getting $500 just taken off your next dream car purchase. You go to buy that car and then, for the simplest reason, just $500 gets taken off. BC, the owner of Mods and Miles, and I went out and drove. He's in his Cayman. But Mods and Miles helped me get this RS3, and they are incentivizing you to create an account on their website. Simply enter your information and that's all. And they're gonna give you a $500 credit. Every single person during this limited time who signs up now will get a $500 credit. And one lucky person will get $500 sent to them in the form of PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, whatever is easiest for you at the end of the month. Mods and Miles is a marketplace to buy and sell vehicles that are modified or have higher miles, and they're well taken care of, because we know there's a lot of you guys out there like myself and BC and James and all these people involved that like modifying their vehicles, that do it the proper way, that take care of their vehicle, and you just want to have a little bit heightened of an experience that the car has to offer. You like that? If you like that idea, Mods and Miles is a great place for you to look at buying and selling vehicles. I also need to let you know about our team here on the channel, Karma Speed, our company that we're building. A bunch of guys in their 20s building a company to add value to the automotive space. We're giving away a Mazda Speed 3. It's our first car giveaway. We want to push and this to be a success. So we would love to have your support. You can head over to karmaspeed.com down in the description. Check out the details. Check out the videos on this channel of us building this car and turning it into something awesome. And then we're gonna call someone the first week of April to let them know that they won. So Mods and Miles, Karma Speed in the description. Let's go drive this RS3. I want you to see what it's like behind the wheel, because those sounds of that 5-cylinder turbo 2.5 liter, that's half of the V10 from the Audi R8 and Huracan, sounds so good. An interesting story going and picking up an RS3. They're kind of hard to find. You can click on this video right here. We purchased it from a guy named Alf, who is really nice. This car has carbon ceramic brakes. It's a little bit harder to find. We flew from Arizona to California to pick it up. It was a good time. Alf's an awesome guy and someone super deep in the car culture. So go check out the story of this, how we picked up this RS3. We'll see you over there.